All right, folks, welcome back to the new lesson, lesson 3 here. It's going to be very important that you saw lesson 2 where we talked about, multiplying by powers of 10, building the log tables lesson that we had just prior to this, because we're going to use some of those skills here in this lesson. Again, your teacher should have given you this unbounded lesson 11 here, the most important property of logarithms. As a student version, hopefully you have it as a PDF or a print version. We're going to go through it now with this video here, okay? So we're going to use this logarithm table right here to help us evaluate some of these logarithms. Okay, so log of 80, right? If you look up here, we don't have log of 80. But what do we have? Well, we have log of 8, right? Right there. This is log of 8 right here. So how do we use that to help us evaluate here? Well, remember that log of 10 to the k times x is equal to k plus log of x. So in other words, 80 has a power of 10 in it. We can rewrite this as log of 10 to the 1 times 8, which is in this form right up here. And so our k is 1, and it'll be plus log of 8. And we know log of 8 is that 0.9031. So we'll just do 1 plus 0.9031. And I should put in a squiggly equal sign here because these are now approximations, right? When we change the log of 8, which is exact, to 0.9031, that's not exact. It's a rounded quantity, okay? And so we can then say that this is equal to 1.9031. Remember, again, that's an estimated value, though. Okay, 7,000, well, that's going to be log of 10 to the third, right? Because it's 1,000 times 7. Which will then be 3 plus log of 7. And 7's log is 0.8451, so it'll be approximately 3 plus 0.8451, or in other words, 3.8451. Okay? Why don't you go ahead and try some of these other ones here. Again, find those powers of 10 in the problem. Pause the video and give it a try. Okay, so hopefully you paused the video and got a chance to try it on your own here. 0.0006, so this is going to be log of, and let's count here, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it's going to be 10 to the negative 5 times 6. Okay, which is the same as then negative 5 plus log of 6. Log of 6, we can see from our table up here, 0.7782. Oops, and again, I should put a squiggly equals here. Okay, and then negative 5 plus 0.7782 is equal to negative 4.2218. Okay, for this one right here, we already have our power of 10 given to us. That was nice. So this is just going to be 27 plus log of 3, which is 27, oops, squiggly equals. 27 plus, and log of 3 is 0.4771. So in other words, this is exactly 27.4771. Okay? For this next one, our power of k, our power of 10 is k, so we're just going to have to rewrite that as k plus log of 9. And what is log of 9? Well, go back up to your table, 0.9452. And we can't combine that, so that's our best answer we can get there. Okay? So now in exercises 1 through 5 here, we're asked to complete these tables using our calculator. Okay? But again, it's not necessary here because we can, well, at least for these first couple, we can use some of our powers of 10 that we already know. So for example, 10 is going to be just 1. Okay? 2 we have is this. So if we have 12, then that's just going to be one more. So it'll be 1.3010. This 16 we can get from 6 by just adding a 1 again. So 7782. 18 will be 1.9031. And at this point, then we're going to need to use our calculators here. So 1.3010. Oh, I messed up here. Whoops, messed up. Sorry, these are not right. Okay, this one will be 1.3010 because it's 10 times, yeah. Okay, so 12, log of 12 is not going to be that. Sorry, it's going to be 1.0792 log of 16, 1.2041 log of 18, 1.2552, 3. Okay, and then log of 25, 1.3979. Log of 30, well, that's 3 times 10, so it'll be 1.4771. Log of 36, 1.5563. Log of 100 will be 2. Okay. All right. So now we will look at some of these addition problems here. We'll look at the next addition problems in the next video.